Good morning. 6 in the morning right now. We're somewhere in Wyoming at a truck stop, at a Common Sense truck stop. We slept right there last night. It wasn't the quietest because you got trucks coming in and out of this entranceway right here. But I'll tell you what, I think that truck stops are my favorite to sleep at. Like, residential streets are quiet and they're my favorite, hands down. But if you just need a quick place, you don't know the area very well, there's Walmarts, there's big parking lots, or there's truck stops. I like truck stops because everyone's doing the same thing as you are. Like, there's truck drivers over here, obviously sleeping, so you know you're allowed to sleep here. I feel like sometimes Walmart parking lots, we've been woken up by people coming through and like groups of like cars getting together and like doing donuts in the parking lot, whereas you don't really have this here because this is open 24 hours. So people are usually coming to get coffee, fuel, or sleep in the night. So I just thought I would fill you in on why I enjoy truck stops and nice truck stops, because let me show you inside here, guys. They've got showers, they've got pizza. We had a pizza last night. They've got everything you need, really. That's gotta be my favorite part, coffee. If you guys can see behind me, they're doing breakfast right now, but this is where we got pizza last night. It was really good pizza, just in a gas station. Perfect. There is one. 40.
I got you 2 pennies.
Oh, lovely. Well, you know what? You can keep them. They're all yours.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Have a good one. Take care of yourself. And they've got a liquor store, which is just over there. So it was nice to grab a bottle of wine last night with our pizza. It's an all-in-one stop. That, my friends, is why I like gas stations. I've said this before, but the one thing I notice is that everywhere you go, if you just ask, hey, can I spend a night here, just one night, passing through, it's happened 100% of the time for us, but I'm sure 99% of the time, they'll say yes. And then you feel comfortable that you're allowed to be there, which is big when you first start out boondocking and dry camping, I should say. It is dry camping, not boondocking. I just like the word boondocking. It's very important. And even I've been doing that for 2 years now, and it feels good to know that you're allowed to be there. So guys, with that all being said, we're gonna drive. We're driving like 12 hours today. Looks like somebody else had the same idea as I did. That's a cool RV. Are you excited for our day of driving? It's been a lot of driving. Hope that you guys enjoyed that drone footage. Still in Wyoming, we have had the toughest time getting water. Dump stations have been available at gas stations, a lot of gas stations, but everybody has shut off their water supply. And so I've probably called 20 campsites and stopped in at another 10 gas stations and campsites, and there's no water available. So finally, we were just at the gas station Loves. I asked them if they know of any fresh water. They said this campsite. I called this lady. She answered. She said, yes, we do have water. I'm not there at the moment, so just drop $10 under the woman's washroom garbage can and go fill up with some fresh water. So it's been tough. There is water available, but you really have to search for it. And I'm not going to bring you into the ladies' washroom. I should check if... Anybody in here? Okay, now just like I usually do, I wasn't listening to where the water is. I think that it's behind this building here. Maybe these sites have water, but a lot of the campsites we've driven into, their water supply is shut off. Ah. Come on, wish me luck. Yes, fresh water. I told them that you could find dump stations, but water was a bit tough.
Even dump stations are tough.
Yeah. We're using the site sannydump.com, and it's usually pretty accurate, but sometimes it's not. And you have to, we typed in the coordinates for like a public dump station, and it said an address, but it was near the address, but it wasn't the exact address. So we were looking around, we're like, oh, it's not even here. So we started driving, and in like 30 seconds, Rebecca's like, there it is. And it was just like about a kilometer down the road. So you just kind of have to look around, call around. In the summertime, this would not be a big deal at all. All these campsites would be open, but because we're traveling closer to December, nothing's open here. Now, if you were in Victoria, because Victoria has camping all season long or all year round, you would have dump stations. So it depends where you are and if these dump stations are open or not. Water has been lasting us right around a week. Of course, it depends how often you use it. We have been showering every 2
weeks
to 3 to 4 days. It's much more than I use just alone in the RV. Well, it's double or triple.
It's not triple.
I mean, I was thinking about it, and if you really needed to, you could just ask somebody like shoveling their driveway, hey, I'll give you $5-10 if I can fill up with 50 gallons of water. If worse came to worse, you could find water. I'm sure people are nice in this area. Well, some of them. Welcome to Montana, where the terrain here reminds me of every single old Western movie where the horses are riding off into the sunset. That's what the terrain is like here in Montana. It's cowboy country. I mean, if I were wearing plaid right now, I would not stand out one bit. Also cowboy boots and a hat. Next time I come here. I really like it here. So for those who don't think I read the comments, I do, I really do. What you guys told me in the comment section below is, hey, the best coffee and the best donuts are Krispy Kreme. Go to Krispy Kreme donuts, and so, well, I listened. That, folks, is Krispy Kreme. So there's someone waving at us in the donut shop. So we're gonna go grab, as you guys said, the best coffee and donuts around. Okay, first sip. It tastes like pretty good coffee, like pretty normal coffee. You want to taste? Want to sip? Yeah. Now the donuts, that's the special part. What do you think? Tastes like pretty normal coffee. Nothing exciting about it.
It's good though, yeah.
Better than Dunkin' Donuts. Better than Dunkin' Donuts. I read in the comments, oh here, I got 2 donuts. I got an original glazed and a chocolate filled with cream. I read a comment specifically saying just try the normal original glazed.
Okay.
And they said it'll melt your heart. It does melt my heart. Oh.
Is it good?
Oh. That's pretty damn.
Well, okay. See,
Oh.
half my donut.
This is really good donuts. I'm just gonna say it right now. I don't know if I'm getting ahead of myself, but I think that these donuts are better than Tim Hortons. For me, I like that sweetness.
That's too. I think that's
Oh,
too
really?
sweet.
Okay. So you would rather, this is kind of like a Boston cream at Tim Hortons, but it's different filling. You would rather the Boston cream?
I find the Boston cream is more custard.
Right.
And that's just like icing. Which you love.
Which I love. Favorite. So for me, favorite donuts. I think Tim Hortons still for coffee would be my favorite, but good coffee. So we have about 4 hours of driving left to do tonight, and then about 5 hours tomorrow. Then we're going to catch the ferry and head on over back to Vancouver Island, home. I'm excited. I really am. I'm very excited to go back to Vancouver Island. Keep living that dream. Until next time, my friends, take care. Subscribe. Subscribe if you want to. It would mean a lot to me. And big shout out to my Patreon members.
Bye-bye.
Is there anything you want to say? Is there anything you want to add?
You have to say bye-bye.
I
Bye-bye.
know. I wanted to make this one different. I feel like my endings are getting a little bit stale. Gotta spice it up.
No, it's your consistency though. You need that. That's your
okay.
end tag.
Okay. Okay, sorry guys to ruin the ending. I won't mess it up.
Until next time, guys. Keep living that dream. No, wait. What is it? Until next, living that dream.
Until next time,
Oh,
my
no.
friends. Keep living that. Until next time, my friends. Keep living that dream. Until next time, my friends. Take care and bye-bye. That's what it is. Do you want to be in my video? Who is waving? Who wants to be in the video? Were you waving?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
There. Go for it. Bye. They were the ones waving when I came in.